Hey everybody, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? That's why I made the website, colinmullen.com. So hey everybody, this is a bit of a weird drawing for this week. I did it digitally because I've been learning how to skateboard and ended up screwing up my hand. I think if you watch any of my streams on twitch.tv/RevScarecrow, you already knew that information, but if you didn't, I fell and it's not broken or anything, but just it swelled up something crazy and then I couldn't draw right. And so part of this drawing I did with my left hand, part of it did with my right. If you can figure out which parts I did with my left, then let me know. But yeah, not the cleanest drawing ever, but I wanted to make sure that I had a video for you guys because, you know, that's what I do here. And there are people on patreon.com/RevScarecrow that support me, and I want to make sure that I've got, you know, at least something in the background so I can have a conversation about art. And so for this week's topic, I want to talk about something completely different. Not related to that at all, because I couldn't figure out how to tie that in. I usually like to try and do that, but I'm going to talk to you about why it takes more than passion and talent to be successful, if I even can speak from a point where I know anything. It would be really nice if, you know, you could just really care about something and that be, you know, all that it takes to become an artist or, you know, basically any sort of creative person. But unfortunately it's not. There's a lot of people who really care about their craft, who really try hard and don't succeed, and then there are people who don't and then they do, and it's confusing, you know. Same thing with talent. You would expect that people who are good would be successful all of the time, but these are not necessarily important, unfortunately. This is probably one of the harshest videos I'm ever going to have to make, but part of it is just being in the right place at the right time. Part of it is, you know, just being able to grasp onto those opportunities when you can and when you get them. But I think more so than any other advice when it comes to success as an artist is, you know, obviously, you know, practicing, getting good, doing the things that make your art expand, you know, learning about stuff, trying to better yourself as an artist and as a business person, because that's unfortunately relevant if you're going to make money off of art, which if that's where you want to go with this, then that's what you got to do. Eventually, things do work out. But eventually is different for everyone. Eventually is relative to who you know and where you were at certain times and all of that kind of thing. And so really every piece of art, everything you try to do, everything that progresses you towards being a better artist is gonna be something that's a roll of a dice on whether or not it works out for you this time. So you still got to put in the hours. You still got to put in the dedication. And some people get lucky and they get that dice roll real early. And some people get it real late. And you never know which you're going to be. And so if you are feeling like you deserve more success, you deserve more recognition than you're getting, it's, you know, just not your time yet. And when your time comes, it's going to be great. And what that looks like is different for everyone. And I wish I could give you a solid, like, here's what you do. But the one thing I know you got to do is you got to keep at it. And for a lot of people, especially when it comes to YouTube and streaming, is they expect it to be instant and it's not. And then they just sort of give up on it and that's it. Those are the people who don't succeed because they don't, you know, they stop trying, they stop giving it effort. And so, you know, the same thing can be said with art and basically anything like this. And so if I have any advice for you, it's to keep at it regardless of how you're feeling right now, because I guarantee you the thing that gives you any level of success is not going to be the thing you want it to be or expect it to be, but eventually you'll get there. Anyway, I speak as if I've made it to that point to any degree, and I guess if you're watching this video, I've made it to at least that level of success. And I thank you guys for watching this video for as long as you have, and I want to thank the people on patreon.com/RevScarecrow, because you guys are really helping me do this thing and be what I would call successful. I get to do this thing as my main gig, so I think that counts as success, right? So anyway, thank you to the people on patreon.com/RevScarecrow. You guys are great. Starting with my mom. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Wap Fu. Thank you, Top Houndor. Thank you, Tiffany. Thank you, The Drunk 2010. Thank you, Terry Maverick. Thank you, Snoutpunk. Thank you, Orthogonal Caster. Thank you, Neo Axed. Thank you, Mortis Nodus. Thank you, Micah. Thank you, Maliciousness. Thank you, Kayla Hollinger. Thank you, Gala. Thank you, Dragon. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Bubba Fair. Thank you, Bep. Thank you, Andy. And thank you, Amber. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. If you didn't, let me know. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.